Welcome back, editors. Today, I will teach you how to make a Montagem Miau trend edit. Right now, I've made it in very simple steps. I had already uploaded a 3-shot tutorial on this, but I received a lot of comments that people weren't able to understand it in the shorts tutorial. That's why I've made this long tutorial, so please like it for my hard work. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the complete steps for beginners so that you can make a great edit without wasting any time. Let's get started. Search on Google for Vigil AI and open it. Select Try Meme Maker. Click on the plus sign. Select Mix. Upload the first video, the one you want to use as a reference. I selected the cat one. For the second, select the image you want it to look like. I selected Naruto. Click on Generate and wait for a little while. Simply click on All and download everything. Keep in mind that in the free version, the website watermark will appear. Adjust clip according to the beat, just like I did. You can find the clips and the rest of the material on my Discord server and Telegram. Join there, download the material, and follow the entire process exactly as I have done. If you make it the same way, yours will turn out exactly like mine. If you have any questions or if something is unclear, the comment box is open. Ask your question there, and I will answer. If you still don't understand, then message me on the Discord server, and I will explain it to you.